Hello, this is Gene with X50 Flag Mounts. Today I'm going to do a really short tutorial on how to make a custom flag with our custom flag designer. So right here, this is your stage. You have these black line going around here, dotted line. That is where you want to keep anything that's really important. If you have any text that goes over the top of there, you might lose that or have the stitching going through it. So you want your background to go all the way across, but you want to keep any text within this barrier right there. So if you want to change the background, go over here to the background colors, click on that, and you can change the background any color you want. But let's do white today. And since it's really close to Christmas, let's make a Christmas flag. So here you can either upload your image if you have it on your phone or on the computer. It is best to do this on a computer instead of a phone, and I'll show you why here in just a second. So let's grab an image off of Pixabay, find something Christmassy. Well, we use this ball right there. Now, this is where it's easier on a computer to grab like this edge and pull that out. Because sometimes on the phone, it's just gets a little tough to grab that little arrow. And then you want to center that image after you put it in there. And now let's put some text on there. So go over here to text, and you have to hit the add new, because if you just go up here, it doesn't do anything. So add new text, and now you click on it, you can change it. Let's put Merry Christmas. And you probably want to change that to a lighter color. Let's go with white. You can see when I move that, there's this little line right in the middle that pops up. And that means that it's centered right there. So let's change the font to something that's a script. And let's change the color to white. Make it bold. And why don't we put outline color on there? But not black, let's go with dark gray. And if you have any colors that you want to use that's not in here, you just put in the hexacolor. So let's do at least a one pick for the outline color. And let's wrap it around that ball. So let's go down here to text effects, click on curved, but we don't want it that curved. That's just a little bit too much. So go to radius and move that out. Now, since that changed the size of the text, it's no longer centered. So you want to go back up here and click on horizontal. Now, when you click on center vertically, it's going to go right down there in the middle. So let's pull that back up to the top, and you can see that line in the center. That means it's centered. So, and this is what I'm talking about. You don't want to go up here because you're going to lose the top of that C and the H when we sew the flag. So you want to keep that down within that dotted line. That looks really good right there. So let's click out of it. And you can preview it if you want. It looks good. Now, if you wanted something on the back that's different than the front, that's what this is. Um, Most generally, every flag is 99% of them, you're going to have the same image on both sides. But let's say you did want something different on the back, just click there and put whatever you want on the other side. So that's all for that. And now let's go down here and you can save the image, but you have to be logged into your account. So if you don't have an account, just when you click on save, it'll ask you if you want to create an account, and otherwise just add it to the cart. And you have to click on this right there, saying that if you're using artwork that's copyrighted, this takes away the responsibility from us. You're just saying that you had the permission to use that artwork. That's all it's doing. So confirm it, and that's basically it. It might take up to a minute for it to go through this process of changing everything over and making the flag, and then it'll put it in your cart. So thank you very much for watching, and you have a great day.